Debbie, obviously you're an artist, and I remember last time we spoke you said that the reason you did permanent makeup, you wanted to mix your artistic skills with helping people. Guys, this is Debbie, who's just on her third day at the Permanent Makeup Startup Training Permanent Makeup Training Academy with Katy. Now we did the first 2 days a little while ago. We had a bit of a gap, a few weeks in between because of the whole COVID restrictions. Couldn't work on live models back then, but she's come back for live model training, and we've had a very busy day. So Debbie, obviously you're an artist, and I remember last time we spoke, you said that the reason you did permanent makeup, you wanted to mix your artistic skills with helping people.
That's right.
And obviously you've had a few weeks between. Has it been useful having that time to start with?
Definitely, yeah. But practice all that time. Yeah,
excellent.
Really helpful.
And obviously it's paid off. Today we've had 3 clients in, 2 brand new ones we've never seen. So if we can sort of get our memory back to this morning, we had a brow client in. How was it sort of seeing and touching and working on your first ever client as such?
I was nervous beforehand, but yeah, when we got going, it felt really good. A lot easier than on the artificial skin that we've been using, but yeah, it felt good.
And then we had another lady in she had some eyeliner doing after that. So how were you sort of working close to the eye area? Was that a little bit more nerve-wracking?
It was a bit more nerve-wracking. It was getting the grip that helps that.
Yeah.
So I was looking forward to the eyeliner, really looking forward to that. So it was trying to get a good grip, so that you could get the ink in and everything.